Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into how you can get Disney Plus on Xfinity. Disney Plus has become a must-have for many, with its extensive library of movies, shows, and original content. Let's get started on how you can access it through your Xfinity service. Step 1. Check Xfinity packages. First things first, make sure your Xfinity package includes access to streaming services like Disney Plus. Check your subscription details either through your Xfinity account online or by contacting customer support. Step 2. Access Xfinity Flex or X1. If you have Xfinity Flex or X1, accessing Disney Plus is straightforward. Simply navigate to the app section using your Xfinity remote. Step 3. Search for Disney Plus. In the app section, use the search function to find Disney Plus. Select it from the results to begin the installation process. Step 4. Install Disney Plus. Once you've found Disney Plus in the app section, select Install to download the app to your Xfinity device. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Step 5. Log in to Disney Plus. After installation, launch the Disney Plus app from your Xfinity apps menu. You'll need to log in using your Disney Plus credentials. If you don't have an account, you can sign up directly through the app. Step 6. Enjoy Disney Plus. Once logged in, you're all set to enjoy Disney Plus content on your Xfinity device. Explore your favorite movies, series, and exclusive Disney content at your convenience. Conclusion. That's it for today's guide on how to get Disney Plus on Xfinity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.